How to use the RMS Eyelights part 2. We already did a part 1 where we talked about how to apply it initially, and then in this video I really want to show you how to create an entire look using eyelights first. Today we used eyelights in the shade Eclipse. This is one of my all-time favorite colors. It's green, it's khaki, it's absolutely stunning. It's just something that makes me feel good when I wear it. So today we're going to use the eyelights, and we're going to use this MAC Unfiltered Nudes palette. 2 colors in this palette, 1 eyelights, 1 mascara. That's all you need. Let's do it together. I like to wear it alone, but if you want to add more to your eye look when you're using the eyelights, this is just a great tutorial to keep in your back pocket to see when you want to do that. So easy. Choose whichever palette that you have. I'm using the MAC Connecting Color in Unfiltered Nudes. Okay, first we're going to start with an eye base. This helps the highlights stay on my eyes the best. It's not recommended by the brand, but this is what I do to help the highlights stay on my eye for 12, 13, 14 hours and also not crease, because they do crease on my eye. When I wear a base, they don't crease, so I like to wear a base. Okay, I'm using just had to get that out there, you know what I mean, disclaimer. I'm using the Bobbi Brown eyeshadow stick in the color Bone. You can use anything that you have. Okie dokie, put it on the top. And then I always put highlights on the bottom, so anything that I put on the bottom, I just make sure that I have a base for. So easy. I go right up to my lashes, just like that. Super easy. Take a little stumpy brush. You can use a blending brush. Now this Bobbi Brown eyeshadow stick is very full coverage. It is very thick feeling when you try to blend it out, so make sure that you kind of work in small layers. That would be my advice, because you can see it gets kind of chunkified. So just beware with that one. It's not as smooth as the Jane Iredale one, but they're both very, very similar colors, and they both do the same thing, which I love it. I love it. Any brand will work, any brand. Then we're going to take the eyelights. You could use any color that you have or any cream shadow that you have that you want to kind of, you know, learn how to make a true eye look out of. It's great. Like I said, I have many, many videos of using the eyelights just as a one color, one and done eyeshadow. I use them for that most of the time. Okay, so I just put it on the back of my hand just like this, and with a little flat brush, I just go like this, just like I would do with paint, just like you can do. And I just press it into my eyelid. The reason why I do this is because I want to make sure that I get that color as close to my eyelashes as possible, so that way you don't see any gap between my eyelashes and my eyelid. You know? Beautiful. Do it again. Take the same thing and just go underneath. I go all the way underneath. I think it makes your eye look really big and bright. Such a great color. Look at that. And make sure to act a little bit quickly when you're applying the highlights. So I like to take my blending brush, and as soon as I'm done placing down the eyeshadow, I go ahead and just blend out the edges like this. Sometimes you don't have to blend where it is on your eyelid, because it might be a nice thin layer, but I like to just go everywhere. And don't worry, you're not going to take off any of the pigment. You know, it's not going to move anywhere. It's just going to look a little bit less harsh and less paint-like, because if you leave it as it is, you'll just have some harsh edges. So I'll just take it, I'll just blend around till it looks nice and soft. It's beautiful. So I'm going to take Wedge, and this is in the MAC Connecting Color in Unfiltered Nudes. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm going to take it just on a beautiful, long, bristled, tapered brush. The reason why I say that it's a tapered brush is because when I put down anything, like any eyeshadow, it's not going to give me a ton of coverage. It's just going to be a really light layer of eyeshadow, so that way it's not too much. You know, I still want this to be a really fun, really effortless looking eyeshadow look, but I want it to have a little bit more layers to it, you know what I mean? Because you never know, maybe you want to switch it up. I'm taking Wedge again, and I'm just going just like this. And in the same MAC palette, I'm going to use Give Me Cyberspace, and that's the very, very last color in the palette, so I'm just going to take it like this. Right here on this little smudgy brush. Alright, and I'm just going to go right at the end. I really like this color combo. I think it's beautiful. I think it would be something that would be great in a green eyeshadow palette. I feel like I've seen this color combo so many times. You know what I mean? All right, I'm going to go underneath as well. Now, I only went about 3/4 of the way. I just used my pupil as a vantage point, and I just really wanted to make my lashes look thicker. I wanted to give some depth to the outer edge of the eye so that my eye doesn't look just so big and round with just the bright shadow around it. It kind of gives it a little bit more shape, just looks a little bit more put together. You know, you can wear this anytime, anywhere. Still daytime, but also very, very fun to experiment with. Create a little V, add your mascara, and you're done. Super gorgeous. Actually quite easy eyelights tutorial. I really hope that you enjoyed this look. I really hope that you enjoy using the eyelights and just having fun with them. Yeah, because I know I talk about them all the time and I use them all the time, so I really want you to have a great experience if you've bought them, you know, from watching my videos. So I want to thank you guys so much. Thank you for always watching, supporting me. Thank you for all of the wonderful things that you say, and yeah, DMs, emails, everything. Thank you so much. Thank you. I hope that you enjoy this video. If you try this look, please let me know. It's super cute. Super cute. I love it. I love green. You know that. All right, guys. Have a great day. Thank you again for watching. Love you.